Jordan wanted to try out for the school basketball team. Spent 3 weeks watching tutorial videos, studying dribbling drills, reading about the right shooting form. Never actually went to a court. Sam wanted to try out too, grabbed a ball, and just started playing pickup games at lunch the very next day. Tryouts came around. Sam made the team. Jordan was still watching videos. Here's what was going on in Jordan's head. Every video raised a new worry. What if my form's wrong? What if I look bad in front of everyone at tryouts? So, one more tutorial. Told friends, I want to actually be good before I show up. 3 weeks in, Jordan knew a lot about basketball theory. Had barely touched a real ball, and tryouts were 2 days away. Sam had the exact same worry walking in, by the way, just handled it differently. Sam was nervous too, genuinely thought, I'm probably not good enough yet. But instead of waiting to feel ready, Sam just showed up to lunchtime pickup games and played badly at first. Missed shots, got laughed at once. But by the second week, an older kid said, "Hey, you're getting quicker. Try squaring up before you shoot." That one tip from an actual game fixed something 3 weeks of videos never caught. Both of them were nervous about the same thing, looking bad. Jordan tried to fix that by studying alone, away from anyone watching. Sam let real games, real mistakes, and real people point out what to fix. And it turns out one real pickup game teaches you more about your shot than 100 videos ever will. Because a video can't watch you play and tell you what you're actually doing wrong. This isn't about Jordan being lazy, not even close. Watching videos alone feels safe. Nobody's laughing at you in your room. Showing up to play feels risky, because now people can actually see you mess up. So the brain treats keep watching as the safe choice, even though tryouts don't wait for anyone to feel ready. Same thing shows up everywhere at this age. Someone who joins the school band and just starts playing, wrong notes and all, improves faster than someone still practicing alone at home, too nervous to play in front of anyone. Someone who enters the school talent show with a rough act gets real audience reactions to work with, while someone still perfecting it at home never finds out what actually lands. So it's not just show up with zero preparation. It's get in the game early enough that reality can start teaching you instead of trying to guess everything alone first. 3 things. 1. Pick a real date you'll show up and play, or try out, or perform, no matter how ready you feel. 2. Decide beforehand what ready enough to start actually means, so you can't keep moving it further away. 3. When you want to watch just one more video, or practice just one more day alone, ask, will this teach me something a real game or real person can't? If the answer's no, stop preparing and go play. Jordan still got tutorial videos saved for later. Sam's on the team, learning something new every practice. The difference wasn't talent. It was Sam showing up before feeling ready and letting the game do the teaching. If this shifted how you think, subscribe. New mental models regularly.